Beyond the ordinary, Comfort Design's solid surface is unique in design and function. Made from the most resilient materials, Comfort Design's solid surface exhibits a hardness and density which resists the growth of mold and bacteria while allowing for the vigorous cleaning found in healthcare settings. Durability and repairability ensures that it will keep its finish throughout the life cycle of your facility. As a true solid surface, we can offer an attractive, seamless surface that eliminates the need for caulk or sealant, which can fail over time. Beautifully bold and highly dependable, Comfort Design's solid surface solves the decision between the desire for design and the need for function by providing both. The modular design allows us to offer accessory and plumbing installation in a controlled environment. As pictured, we can install grab bar ready slide guides and handheld showers, valve body and trim, and grab bars and seats, which all come rated standard at 500 pounds. Comfort Designs is offering the solid surface trench shower in several one-piece compliant models. The one-piece seamless shower system offers watertight, time-saving installation. General contractors and, more importantly, your projects are not delayed by labor-intense job build showers. Please contact your Comfort Designs representative to discuss our sectional units, pans only, and customization.